Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So I know I have been MIA, but I wanted to pop in really quick to wish you all a happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, guys. I wanted to quickly share with you some bags and some accessories that I put together to celebrate the 4th of July holiday. And of course, you know that I always have to do it Dooney style. So I made a cup that was inspired by the United States flag, and I managed to get all 50 stars on this cup. So I just used some glitter and also a Dooney Bourke sticker that I made. I made a copy of it to minimize the size, and I put it on a cup. I thought that it was the perfect touch to this beautiful tumbler. So the first bag I pulled out is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Buckley satchel in the color red. Absolutely beautiful, and obviously a great pair for my cup and to represent the 4th of July holiday. Absolutely beautiful. I think again that it is perfect for my cup. So the next bag I pulled out is the only white bag in my collection. This is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Willa satchel in the color white. And again, for obvious reasons, it is the perfect inspiration for my cup and for the holiday. So let me quickly share with you the nails that I am wearing, and this polish is by Nail Reserve. This is Blue is the One, and I also used White Addict for the striping. I will have a discount code in the description box if you are interested in picking up these beautiful colors. So the next bag of inspiration is my Florentine leather Dooney Bourke medium toggle sack in the color red. And you guys, I don't have to keep repeating myself. You know that this is the perfect pair. I also pulled out my large cosmetics case in the Florentine leather just to carry as a little clutch. You guys, the weather was absolutely beautiful, a nice breeze, absolutely beautiful day. So the next bag of inspiration is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather domed buckle satchel in the color marine. You guys, this is such an understated color and an understated bag. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, you can dress it up and you can also dress it down. It is such a beautiful and classy bag. So I just have here just a silver star necklace to go along with the theme. And here again, guys, I'm just showing you the beautiful cup to represent the 4th of July. So anyway, guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also again wishing you a very happy Independence Day. And in the midst of things, let's still try to remember the real meaning of this day. Bye, guys.